In today's video, I'll show you how to fix ISDone.dll and Unarc.dll error that happens while installing games. To fix this problem, check my video description for this site link. Scroll down and select View and Download Versions option. And again scroll down and select option, Latest version. And scroll down and select Start Download. After the download done, check my video description for this another link. Just scroll down and select View and Download Versions. And scroll down and select the select option in latest version, and scroll down and select start download option. After download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select vendor and select open with vendor. Just drag and drop this DLL file inside of the downloads folder. Same thing for ISDone.dll. Copy this both DLL files and go to this PC, C drive, Windows folder, System32 folder. Paste the files in here, replace the file in the destination, and do this and select continue. Now go back and scroll down and double click on this syswow64 folder. Paste the files in here, replace the file in the destination, and select continue. After this done, just close stuff here and check my video description for this site link, Visual C++ all-in-one. Select the download option, select closest to you. After the download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select vendor and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder, right click on this Windows batch file, select run as administrator and select run and select yes option. And this will install all the required Visual C++ for your system. After the installation done, just close stuff here and go to search menu and type run. Click on open the run window. Type ISDone.dll and click on OK. Go to Advanced tab. Under Performance, select Settings. Go to Advanced tab. Under Virtual Memory, select Change. Uncheck this automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, select the C drive and select Custom Size. Now check my video description for these values. First, you need to find how much RAM in your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type system info. Click on open the system information. You can able to see how much RAM installed in your PC. Total physical memory, in my case 32. After knowing that, just close stuff here and copy the value depends on how much RAM you have. In my case 32. So for installer size value, I just need to copy this value and paste it in here. Same thing for maximum size, same value list, copy and paste it in maximum size. Depends on the RAM, you need to copy the values guys, and then select the set option. Values will be set at under paging file size and select OK and select apply and OK. Select OK. Select the restart now option. After restarting your PC, your error will be fixed. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.